In this video, I am going to teach you how to scale a drawing in Bluebeam. Whether you're doing takeoffs or verifying dimensions, setting the correct scale is crucial for accuracy. Let's walk through the process together. Let's get started. First, open the Bluebeam software and upload your floor plan. Make sure the drawing is clear and in the correct orientation for measurements. This step is important to avoid errors later. Next, go to the measurement section on the sidebar. This is where all your measurement tools and scale settings can be found. Then, make sure you are in the presets section. This allows you to select from commonly used scale options. After that, click the current scale and choose your preferred one. For this video, I'll use 1 to 100. You can also set a custom scale if the presets don't fit your project. Finally, it will automatically change your scale based on your selection. From here, any measurements you take will follow the new scale you applied. And that's how you scale a drawing in Bluebeam. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more practical guides.
See you next time!